Hey, it is Joey with Sun Outdoors and my new friend. Say hi, Bella. Ruff, ruff. And this is an amazing RV. Ruby, thanks so much for welcoming us today.
You're welcome.
This is amazing because it's honestly, you're looking at this probably thinking that is no way an RV. It is, and it is time to give you a tour.
Time for RV Cribs. Let's go. Welcome to my kitchen / living room / game room.
Ooh. You hate that part. You love kitchen, living room.
Yeah,
You hate that
yes,
part.
that's true. We've customized to make more counter space. We added these two, and of course, I've painted everything that was wood to gray, make it feel more homier. You gotta have an ice maker. You just have to. Both slide in this way, so it's tiny when they're closed in.
Oh, so this whole thing will come all the way up until this table, and then this will go all the way here?
Yes.
Oh, that's amazing.
Yes. And of course, my teenage daughter's room. Her little sanctuary. She's made it her own. And here's a loft bed that fits 2 people, but I turned it into storage.
Wow. How many can you sleep in your RV?
I think it's 10.
Wow. It's bigger than my house.
And this is the bathroom for all 3 of us.
This is spacious too. And you don't even got to duck your head. This is
Nope.
tall enough to be able to stand and shower.
Yep.
And I'm tall. I'm 6'9". No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah,
I'm 5'11".
My husband had to go in there, make sure he fit before we bought it. So, and this is where we sleep.
So Ruby, I see why you call this home now. But what was it, the decision to get you guys to go full-time living in the RV?
The pandemic hit, and then they started talking about closing schools and being homeschooled. I do have a special needs 15-year-old daughter, and I was gonna have to be full-time with her. So I told my husband, why don't we go full-time RVing? It'll be more family time. I don't have to worry about anything.
And he said, babe, you are crazy.
Yeah, he actually said that. So I brought him here, and he's all like, okay, not so bad, but only if you buy me a golf cart.
You're kidding. So now he has a golf cart?
Yep.
That's amazing. What would you say to somebody that's watching right now that's like looking at you, Ruby, and saying, I'm kind of jealous. She seems so happy.
I would recommend it. If you have a hectic life where you just spend your weekends, yard work, no family time, and you think you can live in this space, but you can. You become more organized. You just figure it out, and instead of doing yard work, you're doing more family time.
Thank you once again, Ruby. What an amazing RV. Thank you so much for the tour today.
You're welcome anytime.
Alrighty, we'll see you. Have a good one.
What do you mean, where are you going?
Tell your husband I said thanks for the golf cart. See you guys.
Don't
We're
fight
out of
too.
here.
Bring my golf cart back and my dog. Come on.